guys, good morning. It is Wednesday, the day that we are supposed to see something from Hurricane Ian. Okay, we're gonna see, y'all. I believe everybody has put away, except for them people over there. I don't know what they doing. Everybody has put away their patio furniture. Look at Olivia, she got her little robe on, y'all. Good morning. I'm about to fix them some breakfast, but I wanted to come out here. Yeah, I believe it's like 7. I'm gonna say 7:30. 7:27. 7:30, y'all. It's 7:30, and I want to show y'all what the sky's looking like right now. Hopefully, it don't flood that much, y'all. We do live off a pond, so I don't know. We'll see how things go today. But let me show y'all what the sky's looking like right now. Let me open up this screen door so y'all can see. Here comes storm busting it. Oh, Trey, let's storm in, please. This is the skies right now, y'all. Just look like a normal gloomy day right now. Our grass is horrible, right? But look, that's what it looks like. The neighbor over there. Oof, let me try to get over there. They have put in everything. There is nothing on their patio. But that neighbor right there, they plan to watch. They plan on watching. But yeah, that's what it looks like right now, y'all. It's Mommy, about 7:30. Mommy, yes, Trey. Go get your watch. From where? School. Oh no, sir. Your school is closed. Get my watch. We'll get your watch on Monday. No. Good morning. Ooh, wee girl.
Something else wrong with your damn stomach. You got a storm brewing.
Good morning.
Have you tried to go poop? I'm gonna tell everybody on camera that you can't poop. You better go try to go poop. Good morning. You wanna give me your love because the camera's on.
Oh, is that what?
Look, my little girl.
Backpack, backpack. What do you want to eat for breakfast, Trey?
Alright, you can go wash your face, brush.
Cereal.
Trey, go brush your teeth and wash your face with your sister. Huh?
I think we have potatoes,
You
y'all.
what?
We're going to stop right here and get Olivia a snack. We have apple, spinach, and sweet potato. Mango, apple, carrots, and peach. You want some cereal? You don't want any pancakes? Banana yogurt. What is these? Banana, apple, butternut squash. Found something with strawberry, apple, blueberry. That may be good. Let's set that up
You
there.
didn't tell me good morning, little boy.
Oh, banana, raspberry. Let's try this. What's the last one? Apple. Where'd it go?
Got in the head like boo.
Where did it go? There it is.
No cereal for you. No cereal for you. Bad kids don't get cereal. No, y'all don't.
Let's slide you over this way, Mama.
That'd be good.
You want this?
No, you're not. You're bad.
She's like, I don't want that. You want that?
She said banana and raspberry and oats. She's like, dang, I'm trying to eat your damn my nose. See, I don't even want no more Jello.
You naked.
Naked.
Elaine, hurry up so you can take out. So you can take out Sam.
You gonna
You
eat
want
that?
that cheese?
And you didn't brush your teeth. Did you poop? So your storm wasn't brewing too much, huh?
Mommy.
Alright, y'all go brush. Go take out your Sam. And
Yummy,
brush
yummy.
your teeth and wash your face. Your face is a hot, nasty, disgusting, fart face mess. Your face looks like this, Lane.
Is it good? Is it good? Okay, y'all. So I have some potatoes. So I think we'll do potatoes. We'll do some. Oh, I don't have no peppers. Onions. We'll do some potatoes. And sausage and bacon. Maybe some eggs too. We'll probably add eggs. Okay, y'all.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay silent.
It doesn't like do anything. And I have a desk. And then another desk over here for Lydia. And her wardrobe. And her rug has smiley faces. And a wardrobe. And yeah.
Okay.
Guys, this is what
What's on your nose?
This is what Olivia and my room is gonna be looking like if we share a room. This is gonna be our beds, our wardrobe, desk, another desk. I have a heart rug. She has a smiley face rug, basically. And mommy told us to come eat.
Because I'm always telling y'all to come and eat.
Yeah.
Make sure you get a towel and wipe behind your ears with warm water.
Yeah.
Yeah, go clean it.
Wait. So it says, hi, I'm Olivia. It goes in order, so it says 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, hi, I'm her twin, Olivia. And then,
Hold on, let me.
One is right here.
Straight
That
to
says,
food.
hi, I'm Elena.
Yes.
Here's my room.
Yeah.
We're
You want
rich.
more cereal?
And it said, we're
Okay,
rich.
roger that.
And it said, we're rich. And then mom said, get kids, come eat. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you for untying my shoe, Olivia.
So, should I go find her some like the game with the clothes?
Yeah, if you can put her on a shirt or something.
Guys, she wants to help me.
You gonna find some clothes, Liv?
'Cause
You gonna put some clothes on, girl? Say, ooh, get it, get it. Ooh, get it, get it. Ooh, get it, get it. Hey, ooh, get it, get it. Hey, ooh, get it, get it. Ooh, get it, get it. Go, girl. It's your birthday. Go, girl. It's your birthday. Go, girl. It's your birthday. Go, go. It's your birthday. Go, go. It's your birthday. Go, go. Good job. She dropped it low. So drop it low. Drop it to the floor. Drop it low, drop it low. Okay, y'all, so here it is right here, my potatoes. I covered it. I had it covered up too long. Like normally I like to try to cover a little bit, kind of cook it, the inside as well. And then I take the cover off of it, and then I let it get like brown and stuff at the bottom. But I think I left it the top on too long. DJ? So now my potatoes and stuff is breaking up, and I'm a little sad about it, but we still gonna eat it. Let me stop messing with it so it won't crumble up. But this is it, y'all. I may make some eggs, put some eggs in here and have like a scramble bowl or something. But this is breakfast. Got Olivia over here in her walker. Hopefully she's walking by, what month is this? September. Hopefully she's walking by November, because she's been trying to walk here and there. Hey girl, giddy girl. Hey girl, giddy girl. What's in your mouth? What's in your mouth? Oh, bacon. You eat bacon, mama? Huh? Taya's working. Yep, this is y'all. Okay, y'all. It is 7:50, and look, it's the next day, by the way. It is what's today? Wednesday? No, today's Thursday. My bad. Y'all really can't tell through my phone, but it's doing something. We got some rain. We blew our gate open. It's gonna get worse, y'all. I don't know why it looked like the pond, looked like the water raised in the pond. Let's look over there at the drain. I don't even know if that's a drain or not, but it's almost covering that thing. Ooh-wee. Does that hurt? Yes. Sound like it's hailing.
It is the rain. It said, go away.
I said, yeah.
Did you check the other gate?
I said, we need some more chips. We have plenty of chips.
Hello, guys. Can I go for
Storm. Damn. Hey, y'all. So it is the next day. Hurricane Ian is in full force.
Yeah,
Stop that train.
The good thing is that we're not on the other side, so we're just gonna have a bunch of rain and wind.
Yeah.
But our tree almost blew away.
Yeah, let me show y'all. So this is pretty much.
Look at the tree.
Oh my gosh, Storm.
Point at the tree, Mom.
I'm trying to show them. I don't want to go out here, but
It's so windy.
it's very windy out. Look at the pond, you guys.
Oh, the poor birds. It's really cold out here, by the way.
It is not cold. I mean, it's a little bit
It's a little
chilly,
chilly.
but nothing too crazy. The neighbor over there across the pond. Let me show y'all. They put away their furniture. But y'all,
Look at
this is pretty much it. Let me go back in here because Olivia's in here. No, Trey.
But yeah, that's basically
Our
it.
grass is looking crazy. Like, I don't know what happened, but our grass is like dead,
We have
okay?
a bunch of dead grass.
Whew. But you guys, this is what's going on right now. And I believe it's almost like 12 o'clock. I'm about to go in here and make me a BLT sandwich. I just want to show y'all what it looks like out here. I heard it's supposed to get a little bit more scarier than this, but we'll see. We'll see. We're only supposed to get the heavy winds and rain. So nothing too crazy. But as usual, everybody here, they always act like it's really gonna hit us. I don't know why I'm acting like that, but y'all, everybody always go take all the water, all the tissue, as if it really does hit where we live at. It really never ever hits where we at. We just get heavy rain and winds, and then sometimes our power go out. Our power went out earlier today, but it came back on. As you can see, we got power. So I'm gonna make me a BLT sandwich. We filled the tubs just in case. We filled the tubs with water. If the power go out, we can use that water to flush the toilets and stuff. Okay, y'all. I was skimped out on the bacon. Look at this. I'm finna make some more. I need some more bacon. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna eat it like this because I don't even feel like making no more bacon.
No one does.
Here's my BLT sandwich, you guys.
And the sponsor of this delicious sandwich?
Mamacita. Why is it so dark? Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Okay. Let me cut this up and then I'll take her.
Over here, going. Over here, going. Over here, going.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me.
You guys,
On
good
try,
morning.
baby, I think you should side with me. Stay
It is
solid one time if you lie with me.
The
Just
day
promise you never lie to me.
storm. Look all the way over there. We already got people running. We had people running yesterday, y'all. It's a little cool out. Feels like fall weather. But nothing crazy. Y'all, we just got really, y'all saw what I had. I don't know if y'all, did I post? I think I did a community post where I showed the wind and all of that stuff. But y'all, this is it. We didn't really get much. Just some crazy wind, some rain here and there, but even the rain and winds wasn't that bad, y'all. Like, I thought it was gonna be like crazy, but it wasn't that bad. And I'm grateful for that because I am like terrified of storms. I have severe anxiety of storms. Y'all have no idea. And I used to live in Texas, so I'm not with it at all. But since I moved to Florida, like the bad weather that we be getting is not as bad as they say it's gonna be on the news. Like, I was expecting like my power to go out. I was expecting like trees to have fallen over somewhere. In my area, I live in an awesome area, y'all. Like, it just goes right past us or goes over us, or somehow it goes off track and it just misses us. Like, we just get the rain and winds. That's it. But y'all, thank y'all so much for your prayers. Thank y'all for checking on us. I appreciate it. But I'm about to head inside now. Look at the sky. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next upload.